state-owned Chinese Television Channel CCTV broadcast the first footage from the Yinmahu platform, namely a semi-submersible type of ship that is capable of carrying warships on its deck. Yinmahu, with hull number 834, has carried out trials for transporting ships. The ship traveled nearly 1,000 nautical miles to several undisclosed locations recently, as broadcast by CCTV 5/1. Military experts say, Yinmahu has a much bigger function, namely the withdrawal of warships that need repair or maintenance. Yinmahu is not just to deliver a well-functioning warship from one point to its final destination. The ship is more function to transport ships that cannot move due to damage to shipyard facilities for repair. In addition to saving a lot of time as well as costs. Yinmahu can transport large warships, the size of a corvette, even bigger frigates. In a photo circulating, Yinmahu is seen holding a giant Zuber-class hovercraft obtained from Ukraine. Yinmahu itself is not the first ship operating in the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy. The first platform, a semi-submersible ship, was launched in 2015 named Donghaidao with hull number 868.